Hey guys, Mike Martin here for Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the Week to Wicked set, where we're building an awesome 55 two-door sedan. And this is day 4, so we've got one more day, and as you can see, stuff is really coming together. The body is on the chassis. The guys are underneath doing some final preparations and correcting a few things. As you can see, TMI has started doing some interior here. This is their trunk kit. They had to do a little custom mods here. There's a battery box right there and a cutoff switch that they had to do a cutout for. Just some of the services and some of that customization that TMI can do for you. So TMI offered through Danchuk, and just give us a call. We'll get you hooked up with a nice TMI interior. And let's kind of step back here and check her out here. The wheels are just there for rollers. Those aren't the final set. They're going to have a wonderful set of American Legends on there. And as you can see, the pitch of the build has definitely stepped up. A lot more hands on deck, a lot more frantic building going on. There's the Tremec shifter sticking through the floor there. They've got some custom powder coated dash trim in there. They've got the custom auto sound slide bar radio in there. Just a lot of stuff's going on. TMI is chomping at the bit here. They're waiting to get in here and put their interior in. That's what they're going to be doing here probably after lunchtime. Just some awesome stuff going on. So yeah, we've got a lot going on here. Let's kind of step back here so we can get a better look. Some guys are working on the hydraulics for the clutch in the engine compartment, getting the master cylinder set up for the hydraulic clutch system, and working on the engine as well. So there's a lot still to do here. The front end's sheet metal is supposed to be going on with all the beautiful Danchuk trim parts that are going on the front here to really set off the front of this car off. We've got Jim Reese from CPP, Paul Shea from Goldenstar. They're kind of, and looks like Joe Whitaker from Real Deal, just kind of going over everything and kind of talking about some things that they're planning with the car here. Just a lot of work going on here. So as you can see, the car's really, really coming together. Just a lot going on. So day 4, this is where we got. Remember, day 1, we basically had just a bare frame, and now here we do. We got something that's looking like a car. Hopefully today we'll have the front sheet metal back on it, TMI interior inside of it. The boys at TMI are over there. They're just waiting to get the green light to start putting in the interior. You can see there's a TMI box right there with some stuff in it. And as they get going, they're just going to knock this interior out. It's just going to be an awesome, awesome car. Just can't wait to see the final stuff. Stay tuned as we do more updates. I'll do another update later today. See where we get done today. Alrighty. So, anyways, again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing, coming to you from the set of the Week to Wicked show, where we're doing the 55 build, sponsored by CPP. Talk to you guys soon.